how to transfer Sweatcoin to Sweatwallet. So once you open up your Sweatwallet, now you just need to simply continue with your Sweatcoin. Go with your Sweatcoin and make sure to log in or sign into your Sweatcoin. So once you've logged into your Sweatcoin, now what you need to do is you just need to simply complete your daily goal or your daily requirement. If you've set total of 6,000 or 3,000 steps daily, then you just need to simply go and complete your goals. Once you've completed your goals, you will get the Sweatcoin. So you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that coins. So you can simply tap on the Sweatcoin and you will have these many coins. You can open up your Sweatwallet and make sure that you have both the applications. You need to have the Sweatcoin and Sweatwallet. Once you have the Sweatcoin and Sweatwallet, you need to log into your Sweatcoin and then you can continue with your Sweatcoin on your Sweatwallet. Once you've done that, you need to again create your wallet in your Sweatwallet. So you just need to simply go ahead and create your wallet, choose your account, and then toggle on these two options and then go with create my wallet. And that's it. Go with let's start, which is on the bottom of your screen. Go with next, then again next. Open your wallet and here you will have your balance. So in order to transfer your Sweatcoin to your Sweatwallet, you just need to simply have two applications on your device and just complete your daily goal, and your Sweatwallet and Sweatcoin will automatically merge and you will get the coins in your wallet. And if you scroll down here, it says you need these many steps to have one Sweatcoin. So you just need to simply go with your daily requirement and you will have those coins. So that's how you can transfer your Sweatcoin to your Sweatwallet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.